Guys, it's Shane Head for Pop Yachts coming to you today on beautiful Cedar Creek Reservoir over here close to the Maybank and Gun Barrel City area. Got a really unique boat and find for you today. What you see before you is a 95 American Ready Built. This is kind of a pontoon slash houseboat. Got a lot of cool features we're going to go over with you today. Guys, with this listing, just like any other listing you see here at Pop Yachts, if you'd like to see it in person, perhaps go ahead and make an offer. You can give us a call at the number below you see in the video. You can also reach out to me directly, Shane Head. I'm your local rep, and my direct phone number is area code 903-293-3851. We're going to be doing a walk around here on the exterior, and then we'll transition and show you the interior of the boat. A couple of neat things to know about, guys. This is a 28-foot total overall length from the rear of the engine to the front of the bow of the boat. The trailer you see is included with the boat. Easy to tow, really manageable setup. So when you want to have those nice extended weekends out at the lake, you want to find your party cove and anchor down, this is a great rig to do it with. So some of the things that you'll notice is you've added LED lights up here on the front. You've got a nice rubber rub rail all the way around the side. Those portholes you see on the side of the pontoons, the seller has installed bilge pumps in there and said he's never had any issue with this thing holding or taking on water. As you can see, the exterior looks really good. The cabin itself's been extended a little bit, so this is the equivalent of the 30-foot model as far as the cabin size, but we'll show you the interior dimensions when we get inside here in a minute. So you've got this nice front up here on the bow, this nice overhang covered front porch with bench seating up there. You've got access points here on the front and the side. As we move down the side of the boat, you can see the pontoons are in really good shape. We're going to get underneath and show you the condition underneath the boat. But it is powered by 115 horse Yamaha 2-stroke V4. Seller says the motor runs strong, stainless steel prop, pushes the boat just like it needs to. Easy to service, easy to get to everything. Fuel filter back here, up here on the rear of the transom. You've got your fuel tank and your cranking battery. As you look underneath, he's put rubber hosing around all the electrical and everything, so everything's well above the water line. You do have a freshwater drain over there. There is no holding tanks on this, so it is freshwater. It does have a freshwater holding tank. But there is no hot water heater, so whatever water you use in the shower, whatever temperature it is, that's what you get. Again, then we'll show you inside, but there is a generator that goes along with this. It does have an air conditioner that is running today. You have 6 solar panels up on the roof to keep all your batteries charged. And of course, you've got your shore power access here on the back. Really unique find. Good, solid, nicely sealed fiberglass pontoons. Said it sits in the water really well, nice and even. And it's kind of a repeat over here on the other side of the boat. We'll walk the length of the boat and kind of let you see the condition of the outside and the pontoons here. So guys, if you're looking to get into somewhat of a weekender type boat, this is a really great place to begin. Great price point. Again, easy to tow, trailer included. We're going to go ahead and transition to the interior now and show you the nice layout inside. All right, guys, we're up here actually in the interior of the American Ready Built. Guys, again, just a really, really unique boat. Great for a small family, friends. You've got storage with Velcro on these seats here. You've got this removable pedestal table. Nice LEDs up here. Patio cover. Just a real great place to hang out and get out of the sun. As we come into the cabin area or the living area, you've got a patio sliding door, and as you can tell, everything on the interior, the walls and everything's been updated. You do have air conditioning in here, dinette, little sleeper sofa, got a nice little kitchen sink, little mini fridge and freezer. And guys, it's hot today, and I'm telling you, this AC is doing a good job. You've got a shower. And guys, this is fresh. This is a does not have a hot water heater, so it's basically just whatever temperature water you have in your holding tank is what'll work. Again, this generator, this Predator 2000 generator, will be included with the boat, as well as this new cassette toilet. got vinyl, kind of a laminate style vinyl flooring in here. LED lights up top. Got a smart Roku TV mounted on the wall here. Up here at your helm, you've got everything you need. Good vision out the front. Fuel gauge, your bilge pumps. There are bilge pumps in the pontoons. VHF radio, nice large steering wheel, stereo. Just a really good setup inside here, guys. Again, you've got multiple solar panels up on top to keep all of your batteries charged. It'll run all of your lights and plugs and everything. It won't run the AC, but it will keep your batteries charged. And just great for getting out. You've got a back porch. You can kind of walk back and get to your access to your engine, your battery. He did away with the internal fuel tank and mounted a large fuel tank here on the stern of the boat. Nice 12-gallon tank, plenty. Again, that 115 Yamaha motor, plenty of power to get this little boat around, get it to the cove where you want to anchor down. It's a really good place. So there it is, guys. It is the 1995 American ready-built pontoon-based houseboat with trailer, available here at Pop Yachts and popyachts.com. If you'd like to see this in person, call the number below on your screen, or you can reach out to me directly, Shane Head, at 903-293-3851. If you'd like to go ahead and make an offer, we can go ahead and help you with that as well. So from just outside of Gun Barrel City, Texas, on beautiful Cedar Creek Reservoir. All right, guys, we got some muffs on it. Go ahead and crank the engine real quick, let you see the engine's running okay. This is a cold start, hasn't been cranked. Motor does have power trim and tilt. You got a control back here at the engine, and then one on the dash at the helm inside the cabin. Pop Yacht, Shane Head saying thanks for watching.